Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're throwing it back to one of the most iconic workhorses of the late 60s, the 1969 GMC 1504X4 pickup. A classic blend of rugged utility and timeless American style. Whether you're a vintage truck fan or just love some old school muscle, this one's for you. Exterior. The exterior of the 69 GMC 1504X4 screams vintage Americana. Up front, you've got that signature quad headlight setup flanking a bold, chrome-trimmed grille. GMC's block lettering is proudly centered, reminding you this isn't just a Chevy in disguise, this truck stands on its own. Classic body lines run clean down the sides. This model sits high thanks to its factory 4x4 stance, a real trail-ready look. The steel bumpers are straightforward and tough, and many enthusiasts opt to keep that original white painted finish for a true period-correct vibe. Out back, the tailgate is simple, functional, and easy to service. Bed space is ample, and many of these trucks came with a wood floor bed. Restored versions often show that off beautifully. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported straight back to 1969. The interior of the GMC 1500 is about as no-nonsense as it gets. A single bench seat, manual window cranks, and a steel dashboard. But it's all part of the charm. The gauge cluster is a simple 5-dial layout: speedometer, fuel, battery, temp, and oil. Most models came with manual transmission, so expect a tall floor-mounted shifter or a 3-on-the-tree column shift. And check out that classic steering wheel, thin rim, big horn button, and all attitude. Some owners update the upholstery or add a retro-style Bluetooth radio, but even stock, the cabin offers a surprisingly roomy and comfortable ride. Performance. Under the hood, the 69 GMC 1504X4 came with several engine options, from a straight 6 to a small block V8. The most popular and respected choice. The 350 cubic inch V8, pushing out around 255 horsepower, plenty for both work and play. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or optional 4-speed, and with the addition of a true 4-wheel drive transfer case, this truck can handle rough terrain without breaking a sweat. The solid front and rear axles, leaf spring suspension, and tall ground clearance make it surprisingly capable off-road, even by today's standards. Sure, it's not quick by modern standards, but it's got torque, it's got sound, and it's got that analog driving feel you just don't get anymore. The 1969 GMC 1504X4 is more than just a vintage truck, it's a symbol of an era when vehicles were built to last, designed with character, and driven by heart. Whether you're restoring one, daily driving it, or just admiring the lines, this truck holds its own as a timeless classic. If you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel of one, you'll understand why the legend of the 69 GMC 4X4 lives on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever driven one of these beasts.